1,000 suns rise in the mist.
Why spend hours on what AI can do in seconds? Imagine your tasks organized, your business running, your ideas flowing. All we start with your mind's second brain, Notion AI. It doesn't just take notes, it thinks with you, summarizes, plans. Then there's Zapier, your invisible helper, connects all your tools and automates actions across them. AI writes the blog, Zapier posts it to WordPress. Done. It's your day. Not randomly, but around what you value most. It prioritizes like a monk with a calendar. And for every conversation worth remembering, Otter.ai listens, transcribes, and preserves your ideas perfectly. How it flows together. Notion organizes your mind. Otter captures your voice. Zapier connects the dots. Reclaim gives your day structure. And suddenly, you're not managing time. Time serves you.
If you're building a brand or a business, AI isn't a tool, it's your team. ChatGPT or Jasper build customer conversations that don't sleep. They reply, solve, suggest, even sell. Market Muse or ClearScope write SEO content that's not just optimized. It's insightful. Google doesn't just find it, it values it. Add Creative.ai designs it visuals that convert without creative blocks. And HubSpot AI. It keeps your leads warm, emails running, and pipeline flowing on autopilot. How to combine them? ChatGPT handles the front. ClearScope ranks your content. Add Creative grabs attention. HubSpot seals the deal. You just watch it work.
Every innovation begins with curiosity, but research takes time, unless AI joins the quest. ChatGPT or Claude AI, give them a question and they give you ideas, summaries, even outlines. For real-time accuracy, Perplexity AI, the search engine with a brain. It filters noise and gives clarity. For real-time accuracy, Perplexity AI, the search engine with a brain. It filters noise and gives clarity. And when it's time to polish your thoughts, Grammarly or Quillbot, your editors with elegance. Pro Workflow, ChatGPT to brainstorm, Perplexity to fact-check, Elicit to go deep.
Ideas live, but visuals make them breathe. In today's world, you don't just share thoughts, you show them. MidJourney or DALL-E generate visuals that speak without words. Surreal, symbolic, unforgettable. Canva AI makes those visuals social-ready, branded, clean, and compelling. Creating videos? Runway ML or Pictory enhance your footage. Add AI motion, remove clutter. Descript then edits your video, like it's a document. Simple, precise, elegant. Creative flow. Generate visual concepts in MidJourney. Refine and brand with Canva. Edit scenes with Runway. Final polish in Descript. One idea, multiple senses, all flowing.
You've just built your AI productivity stack, a system to think, create, grow, and thrive.